So this past week, or a week ago today, which I will release this today after I film this. Haha. So don't click off, people, please. Don't click off. Keep watching. There's some phenomenal photography coming your way by yours truly. Last week, Mustard Seed Arts Academy here in New Martinsville, West Virginia, which is a new dance and arts theater owned and operated by our family, mainly my lovely wife and my daughter. So not mainly, it is operated by them. All those of you who are watching, all you parents are laughing right now that have students in our school. Anyways, the first student review was last Sunday, and I got to have the privilege of photographing that. So I did two segments. I did the practice day, which will be the first segment of videos, and then I did the actual review day. So there will be a second segment of video. So it's 5 minutes, but it's all photos. So hopefully those of you, the parents and you students that did an awesome, phenomenal job, I hope you guys enjoy it. And for those of you that have no connection with our school, I hope you enjoy it also. This is a family endeavor. Like I said, it's majority my wife and my daughter that run the show. We all have parts to play. So if you're in the area, please look us up. If you have kids or you yourself, adults, want to take some kind of dance class, tap, we also offer little tyke karate classes. Nathan, my son, you guys have seen him in plenty of videos. He gives guitar lessons. And there's all kinds of other stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And you parents out there, you guys did a phenomenal job last Sunday. That was amazing how everybody came together to make this a great review, first year review. So thank you from the Schramm family, and I hope you guys all enjoy the photos.